Hello, so you move out of a train, you have a lift if you want, or you take the stairs down. It's the only one stairs down. And then you go 100 meters. Ciao, ciao. 100 meters. On Tuesday we have a market with vegetables. And you see the green blinking cross of pharmacy. Ciao. Ciao. So you pass the pharmacy. Pharmacy, and you turn left. Then you pass the restaurant on your right. The Piva is a very good restaurant with the local food in Vernazza. And then you have the stairs. So when you see the stairs, you go to the right side of the stairs up. Is everywhere in Vernazza the stairs. There is no apartment without the stairs. Ours is still good. There are quite few steps. So you go up, 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 and then on your right side you see Lisettarooms and the door